We're here at the University of Strathclyde in our Teaching and Learning building to celebrate International Women in Engineering Day. It's really important that we have events like this just to showcase the sort of breadth of engineering jobs and opportunities that there are.
It's so important that we mark this occasion because there's so many young females out there that don't know that there's jobs out there that exist for them, and the world of engineering has got so many incredible role models that are females in this sector, and today is all about igniting that spark, showcasing the amazing role models that are here and within the sector, and tell them about all the creative jobs that they can have within the world of engineering.
A lot of young women and girls may not automatically think about engineering or a career in STEM, but it is a really great home for us. The key thing is that, first of all, we need more women in these roles in engineering. And secondly, another really important thing to note is that you don't just have to be an engineer. There are so many different roles, so many different disciplines that play an important part in engineering projects.
Delighted to have over 200 girls from across Glasgow here to understand a wee bit more about engineering, but importantly the role that SSE distribution can play. Delighted today to have invited my daughter along. She's 15, she's going into 5th year at school and is currently deciding what her future may be. And it's not just about jobs within engineering, there are lots of jobs within SSE distribution. So today we are showcasing not just the engineering but the best of SSE distribution as well.
Being here today, I've got to see that there's loads of different paths you can go. You don't just have to go to uni, you can literally do anything and you'll end up in any field of work kind of thing.
So as a woman in the marine environment, there's lots of different challenges. It definitely teaches a lot about yourself, and if you're strong and you've got the right attitude, you can get things done.
My path wasn't the conventional path. I initially started studying fashion and textiles, and during a gap year I went into the engineering industry and started as a call advisor and moved through different roles, through seeing different opportunities. It's not as black and white as that you have to do science and maths. You've got other things that you can bring and flourish in that role.
Hi, I'm McCaskney, and one thing I learned at this International Women in Engineering Day that completely changed how I look at STEM is women can do so much more than you think and are capable of achieving great things.
Hi, I'm Ella, and I think it's so important that we have an International Women in Engineering Day because engineering is all about making changes and trying something new, and we need all people's opinions and all people's thoughts to make a positive change in the world.